Satan. Guess where we are? Bet you couldn't guess. And look who's back again after 2 years. We're all here. The gang's all here. You're here. We have Kushu, we have Stephanie, me, and Bae. And of course, y'all saw the baby already. Chilling with the shades. Looking so fresh. It's almost like 5 o'clock, I think. So, it's a little late. Late start to the day. But it's okay, that's why we got a pass. We can come whenever we want. But right now we're just walking over to the trams, but I think we're gonna walk it like we usually do. So, but yeah, right now we're walking. We're parked in the first level because we came in Alex's truck and his truck is super high. So we couldn't go up into the structure, but it works out. So, but yeah, so we're going. I'm gonna use the bathroom because it's been a long ride, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, and we're heading into DCA first, and we actually got here quicker because we ended up just taking the tram. There was like no line, so we might as well took it, and we hadn't ridden it in a while. So now we're about to go to the parks. And guys, look at my new cute sweater. I love it so much. I'll go ahead and put the Instagram of the girl who made it for me. It's lovingthecrew.co, I think. I don't know if I got that right. If I don't have it right, I'll put it right here. Alright guys, new ears of the trip. You know I had to do it. The Groot ears. He's one of my favorites. And I am wearing the sweater, so we had to match. Not the tag flying all over. But anyway, we're heading to Guardians, I think.
Oh my god, my eyes cannot like take this.
The best.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, we are halfway there. We are inside. Not a pet raccoon. He looks so real. You're a good boy. We're waiting. What? Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, I thought we were going in already. I was like, oh.
Office.
I'm trying to. I know this whole thing, guys. Whole thing. It's my favorite ride.
I know, right? Carefully scrutinize each and every beast that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. And after that, let's mute this guy. Ow! Ow! Oh, that was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that big cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal. And then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. Raise your hands. I get the clearance, and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. First things rocking. Show me those hands.
I always get this song.
You got clearance. Let's roll.
course, the best ride. Is that my hair? Oh my god. Is this my hair? Bro. But we just got off of Guardians. It was great, as always. So we're heading over with Alex and the baby now. And then we're probably going to head over to Disneyland. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker. Here at Web, we get access to some pretty awesome tech.
That's good.
Like great for Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have
He's here?
really cool
Oh my
stuff
god, it's Tom Holland.
I thought it was gonna be like a custom Spider-Man or something.
Buddy, you can stop doing it.
We're gonna get on web slingers right now.
Web slingers, using all word type, you will be able to.
His first time.
Peter, you're
Initiate safety protocols to be greatly.
problem with that, Peter.
You want to stay away. All you gotta do is
Devastation of the entire Avengers campus. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Transport at all times, and please supervise your children. No se sabe qué harán los bots a continuación, así que manténgase seguro y permanezca.
Are y'all ready, kids? Ow! Y'all ready?
Activating mode assigning individualized color profiles. Web shooters calibrating. You there, Spider-Man?
I'm here. Where are you?
On our way. Okay, please sit back and enjoy your
Wait, I thought the threat level was still exponentially.
Later.
But yeah, guys, I haven't talked to you guys since Web Slingers. After that, we went to the baby center to feed the baby because baby was hungry. He was hungry, so I fed him. And then we went to go get some quesadillas at Cocina Cucamonga, which I forgot to vlog. But you already know, it's the quesadillas. They were pretty good. So now we're gonna go for my brother to get his hot dog. And then from there, we're gonna go to Disneyland. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Mesmerized by the water.
Sí, yo like when llegar a esa gente, no. Mira, entonces,
Alright guys, so we just left UCA and we are heading to Disneyland now for a little bit. It's 9:30, so the fireworks are literally about to start. So we might get a good glimpse of them. So I'll show you guys if we get a good look.
So, we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But who? It's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.
It's so cute.
King of the trunk. How much would it be with the discount?
It's a box one, so you would get pricing moves, traveler.
Hi. Whoa. Qué bello, mi amor. Qué bello.
Picking up the cargo, good, good. Then accused us of stealing. Well, see, now you're breaking up. I cannot hear you. What? Don't you dare. I don't. Oh. Unfortunate technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Ha! Another Brumble flight. Very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. As very, you let us use the ship. We takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up.
Holy shit!
Stephanie's already shooting and shit.
Shoot him, Steph! Yes!
Yes, keep shooting.
So we just got off of Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. It was literally like a walkthrough. It was perfect. And we couldn't get our Cocoa Puffs coffee because it closed. It's 10:30 and it was closed already. I don't know why, but oh well.